At Bublup, we know that teachers have a lot on their plate. You need to keep students engaged, juggle planning, source materials and resources, and any extracurriculars you've got going on. Bublup is a powerful and intuitive platform that can keep all of this important information in one, easy-to-manage place.
As a teacher, Bublup has become one of my go-to resources. It's one location where I can save anything I could think of, whether that's a PDF file of a student activity, a link to a YouTube video clip that's going to be helpful in my instruction, a Google Slides presentation, a Word document. Bublup will save it all. I love that I can save all of my files into different folders, and then I can visually organize those folders with colors, clip art, and screenshots from websites. With Bublup, collaboration is easier than ever. I can choose specific folders and invite other people to help me with that folder, whether it's a student, a parent, an administrator, or a coworker. Bublup makes it so easy to create a professional quality website in just moments. I select a folder and then I create a role, which turns all of my links and files and resources into a really great looking website.
Bublup is a perfect app for organizing all of your information. Spend less time organizing and more time teaching.